Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So this is an emergency update for all of you, my brother. And you know what's the main emergency? The emergency, my friend, absolutely that's my friends, because all crypto market is very badly fails down in the same time. But you can see at this time, Polygon is one of the unique coin to devil moving upward now. This time you can see the max supply, as you can see here, zero matics. But this time you can see the change occur last 1 hour, change occur last 24 hour, change occur last 7 days. Exactly, my friend. This coin is completely continuously moving upward now. So what's the emergency, my friend? The emergency is that I will inform you, my brothers, to don't sell it, hold it, and remember to what's the price prediction, my brother. So let's see, my friend. First of all, the last 7 day chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you to this coin is go and the moon now. You know why? Because I'm also holder of this coin, my brother, so therefore I love it, my friend, when they're moving upward now. As you can see, my friend, after a short fail they take a very huge jump. So I am so happy, I'm so excited. Remember to Polygon is recover, my friend, again now. And exactly, my friend, you know, especially from last 7 days, last 2 weeks, my friend, this coin is completely fails down. And remember to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency in the start of month fails down. But this time you can see here, this is the mid of month. So after mid of month, every cryptocurrencies will wake up and go in the moon now to the end of this month. So therefore I will tell you others to the pure Polygon future is also going to be bright now. So you need to hold it and wait for the good time. I hope, my friends, the Polygon price will be increasing and will be double, my friend, just and only at the end of month. So if they just and only hit 2 US, so it's mean, my brothers, to they will make you rich man, they will make you millionaire now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly holders, you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, because every tech channel will guide you, my brothers. So my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it. Remember, hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the good time. I hope, my friends, the price will be double now just in only at the end of month. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Polygon holder. Hope you understand. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.